Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we're seeing a nice bounce. So we're seeing crypto markets are going up right now, so that is pretty good from that perspective. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, guys, in the house, bringing you education and entertainment. So let's get it, guys. Let's talk about what is actually going on right now. So we're seeing right now that we had the FOMC meeting, I think around about 10 hours ago from time of recording, and what we're seeing is that the Jeremy Powell in the house, he basically increased the basis points about 75 basis points. So from that perspective, we did see that the markets did go up a little bit, but we did see crypto absolutely rebound. And as of time of recording, we did see that yesterday Bitcoin did go as low as $20,000 in the house. It did go as high as 22,000 and about 300, but it's come down to around about $21,270 right now. And it's just, it's just gingerly skirting the 200-day weekly moving average right now. So, at $22,000, we are above the 200-day moving average, and below that, we are at just below it. So we're going to talk about some key technical levels that Bitcoin needs to hold. Could this be a reversal, or is this just a fake out, guys? Keep in mind that Thursday is often a reversal day for the cryptocurrency markets and the broader markets out there. This could be a little bit of a fake out. We could be seeing ourselves going down. We're going to jump into the pre-markets and everything else in a second, guys. So, from that perspective, we're seeing that the Doge right now is at 5.5 cents, just above 5.5 cents right now. So that is pretty good from that perspective. We're seeing Ethereum went as low as $1,000 out there. And remember, I did tell you about the three arrows out there. They got about $246 million worth of Ethereum. And if it goes below about $1,100, they're going to get liquidated out there. So that's going to put some downward pressure on Ethereum, because Ethereum has not been doing too well out there, ladies and gentlemen. We still got this whole Celsius thing out there. Celsius hired a whole bunch of lawyers out there, basically, definitely Celsius is going to go bankity rub out there. So from that perspective, and Celsius is one of the main reasons that we're seeing this huge debacle out there. And from my perspective, absolutely my perspective, I believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin are very much undervalued right now, and I think that we're going to be seeing it going uppity up, guys. So from that perspective, just hold the fort and don't panic out there. So also, guys, you need to be aware that, stablecoin, Tron has a stablecoin. I call it, Tron Pupushman algorithmic stablecoin. It's also depegging. And you guys, we also need to take a look at Tether right now. So Tether is under a little bit of heat right now. I don't want to spread some FUD, but if you've got any Tether, definitely be moving that to UDC. Do it right now, guys. That's not financial advice, but I'll be moving my US Tether to UDC, because I'm not feeling confident and comfortable about UDC, because remember, Tether, not UDC, excuse me, because Tether is, it's not backed 100% by, USD out there. It's, it's backed by a lot of commercial paper. We don't know what that commercial paper could be. Could be toilet paper. I don't know, guys. So if you're holding any Tether, guys, do move it to USDC. That's just some friendly advice. And remember, once again, you don't own your crypto if you don't own your private keys. So if you've got crypto on exchanges, my recommendation, if you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other crypto, move it to your Tracer or Ledger, or definitely a software wallet where you control the keys. That's so important. That's absolutely so important. But, I believe that we're going to be seeing, I believe that, we may go down today, absolutely may go down today, but we will reverse the upside. And, over the long term, we will see a Bitcoin pump, a Bitcoin recovery, and Ethereum recovery. We're going to see a lot of stuff recovering, guys. It's just a matter of time. Could be a week, could be a day, could be a month, could be 6 months, a year. But I believe that we're going to be seeing all-time highs coming in. Eventually, guys, crypto definitely will be going uppity up like crazy, guys. It's just a matter of time. Call me a moon boy. Yeah, I'm a moon boy, and I've been in this business a long time, not a week, not a month, years and years and years. More than, like 8 years I've been doing this thing. And, Bitcoin does go through its cycles. It's definitely going to go through another cycle again, and we're going to be seeing things go up. Eventually, it will go up, and 2025 is going to be the big pumpity pump. And I think out of this whole crypto crash, ADA, Cardano has been a huge darling out there. It held at 45 cent level even when we had the dumpage, and Cardano is holding itself strong. And I think a lot of props need to go out to Charles out there, because a lot of people are having confidence in what Charles is doing. Even though we've had the Ethereum debacle out there, I think that Cardano is a very good strong pickup and very good hold. And right now, crypto's on sale, so if you got any dry powder, this is a good time to be picking stuff up, because you make money in the bear cycles, not in the bull runs, guys. So this is, I believe that Bitcoin's at the bottom, guys, absolutely at the bottom. And I think that we are going to be going up from here. Sure, there's going to be some volatility. We could be dipping down to 19,000, but I think that the line is drawn in the sand. Worst case scenario, $14,000. So let it be, guys. Let it go down to 14. I'm going to be buying up like a madman. And don't forget, Thursday's my DCA day, so I'm going to be picking up another itty bitty baby today, guys. So that means I picked up almost 3 Bitcoin this week already. So I'm going to keep buying because I've still got tons of dry powder. I don't know what to do with it, because keeping money in the bank doesn't earn any interest. So guys and gals, remember, never invest anything more than you're willing to lose out there, guys. Be smart. Don't invest your rent. Don't invest your food, guys. And you've got to be patient. You've got to have diamond hands out there. It's so important, guys. So let's take a look at the pre-markets. Let's absolutely take a look at the pre-markets. So right now, if you take a look at the pre-markets right now, we're seeing that the Dow is down, the S&P is down, down. We're seeing that the Nasdaq is down as well. So from that perspective, and they're not down just a little bit, they're down a ton. So we can expect that when the U.S. markets open, that we could be seeing our things going down, extremely down, guys. So get ready for that. And remember, Thursday's off the reversal day. Don't forget, on Friday, we've got a huge amount of open options expiring as well. So that's going to put some more sell pressure on Bitcoin. And right now, we're seeing that $249 million worth of Bitcoin has been taken off exchanges. So, the long-term hodlers are still picking up Bitcoin. So that is pretty good from that perspective. But a lot of people are selling. A lot of people are absolutely pushing their Ethereum onto exchanges, and they're selling Ethereum like a madman right now. Because the people, we've seen a lot of people have been using this ST Ethereum, and they've been staking it. And a lot of people getting margined calls or getting liquidated on Ethereum right now because people didn't expect Ethereum to go down so much. We're seeing that also Tether is moving onto exchanges. A lot of people are exchanging Tether for UDC, and also with something very interesting, we're also seeing a lot of people have been moving, selling their crypto and actually taking their money out of the market, and we haven't seen this for a very long time, guys. So right now we see that the fear and greed is at 7. That's basically unchanged, guys, from yesterday. So that is okay. But I have not seen the fear and greed so low for a very long time. So this is just crazy and insane. Some other stuff that's coming out. You can see here that the third biggest wallet out there, the absolute third biggest wallet, he's still buying Bitcoin like a madman out there. So you can see here that today he picked up 214 Bitcoin. He also picked up yesterday 488. So he picked up almost $15 million. And then on the 14th, he also picked up another $10 million. So we're talking almost about 26 million, $27 million worth of Bitcoin. So that's kind of interesting out there that the third biggest whale is actually picking up a ton of itty bitty baby out there. So from that perspective, I use this guy as a benchmark. If he's still picking up a Bitcoin, I'm still going to be buying. I'm still pretty confident. When this guy starts to dump his Bitcoin like crazy, that is time for me to get out of town, guys. So from that perspective, I'm still feeling pretty bullish from that perspective. And we're seeing right now that the on-chain data shows that the most significant support levels for Bitcoin extends from about $21,000 to $21,630. So that is a huge support zone that we need to hold, and Bitcoin must hold above the above level to avoid downsizing to the next interest zone, and that's around about $19,680 in the house. Notice that if BTC closes above 22,300, it could run to 24. So these are some of the key support zones that we need to keep. And if we take a look at Bitcoin right now is trading at 21,280. So that is pretty close to that 21,030 level. So as long as we stay in between those zones, we're going to be just fine, guys. We're going to be peachy keen. So even if we go down to 19,000, I'm still not worried. I still think that this is a huge support zone in the house, guys. So from that perspective, I'm still feeling pretty confident about Bitcoin and all the other crypto markets that we could get a bounce. We're still seeing that the Bitfinex longs are still accumulating. Huge candle there. We're seeing that Bitcoin, as I said, is just gingerly skirting the 200-day moving average out there from that perspective. So from that perspective, I think we need to get ourselves above the 200-day moving average. That's about $22,000. And we're seeing that on the weekly right now. Bitcoin is above the minor capitulation line and is trading at around about $21,239. So that is pretty good from that perspective, guys and gals. So I'm not too worried out there. How about you guys? Are you worried? I'm not too worried, guys. And we're seeing the UK, right now we're seeing the UK Digital Minister, Chris Phillips, says that country intends to be a global crypto center. So that is pretty bullish from that perspective. So hopefully that will come true. We're seeing that the, Dogecoin, right now for the price of Dogecoin, it's at 5.5 cents. We did get as high as almost 6.062 in the house, guys. So we have losing a little bit on the Doge right now. We're also seeing that, the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. It's at 45.36, so that is pretty good from that perspective. We're seeing that the SPX has also gone up a little bit. We're seeing that also the DXY is going up, and we definitely don't want to see that. That is not good for cryptocurrency. We're seeing right now also too that the total apes that got wrecked is about $406 million, and we're seeing a lot of short, so that's hopefully should propel and send crypto uppity up from that perspective. We're seeing Ethereum is also dropping below its $1,200 support level, and it's at $1,123. So we need to get ourselves above that. That's what we have to do, guys. And we're seeing that ADA went as high as 50 cents in house. It's come back down to about 49. Just right now it's trading about 49.03. So ADA has been pretty much the darling. We're seeing that the total market cap is about 924 million, and the volume's at 81.87, and the Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so that's good for the altcoins in the house, guys. So that's pretty good from that perspective. And we're seeing that overall things are faring pretty good. We see BTC is up almost 5%, Ethereum's up almost 8.5%. We're seeing that BNB is up 8.75%. We're seeing ADA is up 7.74%, and we're seeing that Solana is up 15.75%. So from that perspective, everything seems to be coming back. So that is pretty good in the house, guys and gals. So you guys can absolutely see that we're seeing a little bit of a recovery. Remember, Thursday is absolutely reversal day out there. So keep your eyes, keep your eyes glued. And from my perspective, I'm not going to be DCAing on doing anything until after the New York markets open. So guys, definitely be waiting till the New York markets open before you make any decisions if you're going to be DCAing, because as we saw previously, that the pre-markets are looking very nasty right now, and that could cause Bitcoin, the crypto markets, to go down and start turning red and give up a lot of the gains that we've seen today. So we really need Bitcoin to stay above 21,030 to 21,630, and to get ourselves above the 200-day moving average, you need a Bitcoin to be above $22,000. So that is key, that we get above the 200-week moving average. So from that perspective, guys, watch out. We can see a little bit of turbulence on today. And remember, Friday we have all of the options expirations coming as well. So that could be adding some fuel to the fire, and that could push Bitcoin down again below $21,000, guys, 21,030. So those are some key areas that we need to be looking at. So that's where I'm seeing things that we could be seeing ourselves going back down to $20,000 and even as low as 19,000, because we got some good support about 19,300 as well. So from that perspective, guys, that's going to bring this video to a close. So keep on keeping on. Remember, this is not financial advice. Remember, go down there and don't forget to boop the like, subscribe. Don't forget to give super chats. We would appreciate it. And don't forget to comment, guys. Comment up a storm. The key word is, key word for today is, what is Bitcoin support level, guys? Tell me in the comments, what do you think Bitcoin support level is? It 19,000? Is it 21,030? Is it 21,630? And how low do you think we can go this weekend? I'd love to hear what your comments are. Go down there and, guys, check out the links. Buy the channel a coffee. Become a Patreon member. Check out the links. Become a merch, guys. Buy some merch. Don't become a merch. I mean, you can become a merch by wearing the merch. And, guys, check out the merch, guys. And don't forget to boop the likes one more time. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I would really, really appreciate it, guys. Show some love. Absolutely show some love, guys. I love you guys to death. It's a good time to show some love, guys, and be blessed. And God bless each and every one of you. I know these are trying times for a lot of you out there. I mean, I'm still here. I got a beautiful view of the ocean over there. I mean, things are still looking pretty good. My portfolio looks like garbage right now, just like yours does. But this is not the time to give up. This is the time to be strong. Absolutely a time to be strong, guys. Do not give up out there. I'm telling you, do not give up, guys. Be strong. Have diamond hands. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.